Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. First of all, tap on the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you hold the app for a few seconds, it will show you the drop-down menu. Then from the menu, click on Remove App. Now tap to delete the app. After that, open up the App Store in your phone. Once you get into it, tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. After that, click Download the app. Once you successfully downloaded the app, open it up, enter your phone number, and hit the Next button. After that, you will see the option to restore your chat history. To recover your deleted messages, you need to tap on the Restore Chat History button. Once you tap on it, the data will be restored into your account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.